And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this heart initial necklace gift for women in 9.25 sterling silver. So inside of this little box is a very, very nice case. Gotta love that case. I mean, the presentation is phenomenal. You open this up and you have your necklace and a little cleaning cloth and little cards for carrying of the product. That's it for this. Love that sound. So this is the actual necklace. Go, cut that, take this off. There we go. And pull it on out of here. Nothing else on that. And so you can see, nice silver chain, nice little clip there, but most importantly, the nice cubic zirconians in here with the little A letter, which matches my wife's name. And it actually says, I love you forever and always. But I love the design of this. It's actually just really, really, really nice in my opinion. And I love the design of this. I think it's a really, really nice design. Looks really, really good.